The Shortcuts app in iOS 27 lets you run multiple actions with a single tap. It's quick to set up, easy to use, and can save your time every day. So here's how it works. First, you just have to open up your Shortcuts app from your home screen or app library. Tap the plus button to create a new shortcut. Now tap Create Shortcut using description. If you had rather not type, just turn on dictation and say exactly what you want. So try saying, create a shortcut that opens YouTube, Photos, and Notes app together. So in just a few seconds, iOS 27 creates the shortcut for you. No manual setup needed. And now you can add it to your home screen, and you can even customize it with your favorite color and icon. Then add it to your home screen, and from then on, just one tap opens all your favorite apps at once. So you don't have to find or open them one by one. So it's actually saving your time every day. You can also create a shortcut to lock your apps with just a tap, along with many other useful shortcuts to make everyday tasks faster and easier. And that's it. I hope this can help you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned at Fixes 9 till the end.